Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: personal safety. We'll be focusing on both indoor safety and outdoor safety to ensure you stay safe wherever you go. So, let's dive right in. Personal safety. It is better to be safe than sorry. Accidents and incidents can happen anytime. We should be well prepared to avoid them. We must be careful about our safety. There are many types of dangers, risks and injuries. We can take precautions to prevent these dangers. Indoor safety. There are many dangers inside our homes. Fire burns everything. Do not light the matchstick, something may catch fire. Do not touch the stove and iron. They may be hot. They may burn your hands. Do not play with pointed or sharp objects. They can make a cut on your skin. It may result in bleeding and pain. Electricity is a dangerous thing. Do not touch the switches with wet hands. Exposed wires. You can get an electric shock. The electrical appliances with metals. Always turn the switch off before you plug in anything. Do not play on the stairs or terrace. You may fall down. You may get injured. Do not put anything into your mouth other than food. It might stuck into your throat. Do not play with scissors, nails, blade, needle, nail clippers, safety pins, paper cutter, common pin, saw. Do not play with the things made of glass. They may break and cut your skin. Stay away from broken glass. Have you ever had a cut on your skin? Tell how you felt. Do not keep the main door of the house open. Do not open it for strangers. Outdoor safety. We should be careful about our safety while outside home. Always walk on the footpaths, not on the roads. Cross the road carefully, looking both ways. Stay away from electric poles. Try to stay at home when it rains. Always follow the traffic rules. Never climb a wall or a fence. Do not take anything from the strangers. Disasters. Sometimes, a sudden accident occurs and causes great damage and loss of life. It is called a disaster. It may occur due to human mistakes like burning fire, explosion, etc. It may be natural like flood, earthquake, landsliding, wildfire, thunderstorm, etc. During flood, do not try to walk, swim or drive through the floods, move to a higher ground. During earthquake, if you are indoors, take cover under a study table. Stay away from glass, walls or anything that could fall. Stay inside until the shaking stops. If you are outdoors, stay away from buildings and electric wires. Sit in an open area. During fire, get out of the building. Crawl low under smoke. Call for help. Stranger danger. When you are outside home, be careful of unusual things. Try to go out with someone. Stay away from strangers. Do not take anything from strangers. When you feel danger, shout for help. Talk to your elders. If you feel something unusual or unsafe, always talk to your parents or teachers. They can tackle the danger better than you. Always help others when they are in danger. Thanks for watching. Always remember, safety comes first, and these tips will help you make smart decisions to stay safe and happy.